Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have my Fabfitfun Winter 2021 add-ons and a mystery bundle. If you watched me unbox my first Fabfitfun box, which I probably did yesterday or the day before, I got mystery bundles. I got the refill mystery bundle in the box, and I chose a mystery bundle out of the add-on. And in the outer portion of my box, neither one of them was in my actual Fabfitfun box. In the bigger box that it came in, I have two mystery bundles. They have the exact same numbered sticker on them, which I think is interesting because one should be a $14.99 up to $65 value bundle, and the other should be a $29 paid up to at least $100 in value bundles. So I think it's interesting they both came out of the same bin, because the one I opened with my box, I would argue, probably did not have a $100 value. So we will see what this one has. But first, let me show you really quickly what I just did for add-ons for winter 2021. Just to talk about my love for this product, this brand I should say, not this product, a lot. And I got so stocked up through all of the add-ons, and it was in a lot of our boxes. I have been stocked up, but this was on sale. And I will try and let you know the prices that I paid down here as I show each one. This is 3 of the Daily Concepts loofahs, you know, the mesh loofahs. I love these. I use them every time I shower. I change them out regularly, so I do go through them. They're usually $5 each, but since I chose 3 of them, I have to think I got a better deal than that. But how could I not? It was a set of 3, and I do love these. As I put these away, if you are new to FabFitFun, it is a lifestyle box. It comes out spring, summer, fall, and winter. If you are an annual, it ends up to $44.95 per season. If you pay seasonally, it is $49.95. If you are an annual, you Annual, you customize your entire box. If you are a seasonal, you customize 4 customizations. The day before customizations go live, their add-on sale goes live, and that's what this is. This is just a sale that they do where I think they say up to 70%. Products are reduced up to 70%. You can pick up some good sales, pick up some things you'd like to try or things you know that you love. I next chose, because kind of like bath gels, I tell you guys I use so many bath gels. Something else I use a lot of is leave-in conditioner. I shampoo, I condition, and then I also use a leave-in conditioner because a lot of them have heat protectant. With all of this hair, it makes it easier combing through. I don't have as much breakage. This is the MKS Echo X Leave-In Detangler Original Scent infused with argan and hemp oil. And that is what that looks like. Let's just take this off and see what it smells like. Oh, it's creamier than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be liquid, and it's like conditioner, which a lot of them are. Oh, that smells good. I like that a lot. It's almost sexy. Like, I like it. That is what it looks like. I hopefully can let you know what I paid. Yeah. I can't wait to try that. That smells really good. It says it's a restorative blend, and it instantly moisturizes and detangles hair while smoothing unwanted frizz and flyaways. It is 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and sustainably manufactured. I knew that was something I would like. Something else that I chose, and this is one of the things that they spoiled for us when they were trying to tell us, oh, look at all the fun things they have coming into add-ons. And I was like, oh, you're right, that is fun. And my thought is I will put this right here, maybe just here in a second. It is the I'm Dreaming of a Pink Christmas candle. It's a Ryan Porter candle. I have had his candles in the past. I like them. They have a great scent. They don't have like a Bath and Body Works kind of fill your home throw, but enough for my taping room for sure, and out into the upstairs. Oh, that's fun. Butter? You guys know I'm so good at scents. I mean, I'm your scent girl, right? Did you get this? Please, if you got this, when you took that initial scent, what did it smell like to you? Because to me, it smells like butter. It smells like I've just softened butter to make cookies with. Butter. Butter. I want to say something more intelligent than that, and it smells like butter to me. Santa baby, don't get your tinsel in a twist. You'll feel fabulous and festive AF with this holiday blend of gooey buttercream. I wanted something to spike it, that's all. I mean, I have to enjoy it, right? Gooey buttercream, angel cake, and a cheeky splash of bourbon. 'Tis the season to sparkle. Merry Christmas, baby girl. I kind of want this downstairs in my kitchen. I really wanted to nah, I'll leave it up here because it's butter. I mean, I really feel like I nailed that. I don't get the bourbon. Maybe when it's burnt. We'll have to see. Oh, should I put it up now? I kind of feel like I should. I should, right? Let's do that. I mean, it smells like butter to me. I'll be back. I doubt I will be able to tell anything about this before this video is over, so check back and I will try and remember to talk about it going forward. But it is a lovely candle. Of course, now there's like 0% chance I remember to take a picture of this with the rest of the things I take the picture of to put up on my Insta. Okay, butter. You're not tricking me with butter. Next we have Yuca Wellness Shower Bombs. It is a 6-pack. I like bath bombs and I get Lush ones, but the fact of the matter is 77.6% of the time, I shower. I enjoy a bath, but I shower a lot more, and I just thought this would be neat. And it says it's happy, detox, and calm. Place on the bottom of the shower beneath the stream of water, but away from the drain. I usually put them almost as far away as I can get them because they still get wet and they still scent, but they last a little longer. Inhale deeply. Best kept in a tray during use. Make it a routine. Choose one of 3 shower bombs to start or end your day with. Happy. Happy adds smiles with geranium energy. Detox. Detox invigorates with a mint exhilaration. And calm. Calm helps you breathe deep with lavender and eucalyptus. Let's see what these look like. I have never had this brand. They're just white, kind of greenish and kind of yellowish. There's 2 of each. Lavender, eucalyptus, can't tell. Wanted to nail it after the whole butter story, but what'd they say? Geranium. So 6 shower bombs. Next, I probably should have checked this out before we did that. I have more candles. This is Candie Candle, and we have 3 flavors. How about Missile Nope? You have to know me to know how appropriate that is. Let It Flow, Pinot. And I'm Not Coming Unless There's Wine. I've actually had that one before in a bigger one, and I liked it. Look how cute. I knew these were smaller ones. They come off the bottom one easy. I can't get them out of that top one. That is what they look like. They're little, what are they? 2.25 ounces. How about Missile Nope? Let's try harder. Got it. It smells like chocolate. Kisses Under the Mistletoe, Feliz Navi, I'm good. Get some major nostalgic Christmas feels with notes of warm chocolate. Just saying. Cool peppermint and vanilla. Smells like a magic candy shop. It smells like a Tootsie Roll. The Pinot smells like lilies to me. It does not smell like Pinot to me. Maybe some berries. Kind of floral, woodsy, and berries. Okay. This says, 'tis the season for drinking copious amounts of booze because #holiday spirit. Top notes of warm cinnamon mix with fresh fruit. Okay, I was like, I didn't nail the cinnamon. I don't smell the cinnamon. Mixed with fresh fruit and berries. Woody base notes create perfectly upscale holiday vibes. So half nailed it. It's nice. It's very nice, but it doesn't smell like the description necessarily. And this is the I'm Not Coming Unless There's Wine. That smells winey to me. This one smells like wine. Kind of grapey maybe. Pine tree? Was that I'm Not Coming Unless There's Wine? It's such small words. Was that pine tree? Let's see. Cozy up with this cheeky twist. Is everything cheeky? Everything was cheeky, right? With this cheeky twist on the classic winter pine scent. Vivid notes of woody, snow-covered trees blend with cedarwood, crisp eucalyptus, sweet patchouli, and tonka bean. I'm sure that's why I ordered it the first time, because I'm one of those people that I just love patchouli and tonka. Yeah, that's lovely. I will enjoy these very much. They are going downstairs to spend the season with me. I also have a Bath and Body Works box coming with several Christmas candles in it. I've got to start burning some candles. Burn harder. All right, last but not least, before our mystery bundle, we have the Signature Blends Espa Natural Beauty Inner Calm Soothing Bath Oil. This was another one that they spoiled, that I have tried many of the Espa products and I like a lot of them. And I do love a bath oil in case I'm not using a bath bomb or a shower gel. Espa Natural Beauty Inner Calm Soothing Bath Oil Aromatherapy Bath Oil to soothe and relax. And that is what it looks like. And it has the top that a lot of the Espa has. It has that pebbly looking, kind of granity looking top. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells nice. It just smells, uh-oh, is that lavender? I think it's lavender. For those of you who might have ordered it, it smells like lavender. This naturally nourishing bath oil harnesses the potency of aromatherapy with our unique soothing signature blend. Warm and peaceful, it combines myrrh's mellow notes with comforting sandalwood, rose geranium, and frankincense to ease mind, body, and de-stress to restore tranquility. I mean, it smells good. There's no lavender. So yay for those of you who don't care for florals, no lavender. Okay, we're down to it, the mystery bundle. Like I said, it was a 50-50 crapshoot. The other one looked like something they would put in everybody's box, so I went with that one for the $14.99 one. I could be completely off, but we're gonna call this one the mystery bundle that I put in my add-ons. It has the same number. It is, oh, it doesn't. I have told that story 500 times in the last 2 videos, and it doesn't. It's 2104 Mystery 001. The other one was 011. I got my binary mixed up. So if that helps, this one is 001. And I can tell without looking at it from the front, I was just looking at it from the back, I have something from Foxy Bay. Beach Please Sea Salt Texturizing Spray. Sulfate and paraben free, and it has biotin. That is what that looks like. Love a good beach spray in the summer. It doesn't do much for my hair. It gives it a little bit of texture, but I really like the smoothness. So I don't know whether I'll use this or pass it on to one of my girls, but why wait all year for gorgeous summer hair? Channel your inner beach babe and add some much needed texture to your mane. This sea salt infused texturizing spray will leave your hair with sass, volume, texture, and dramatic definition, worthy of boho goddess. Dries quickly and weightlessly for gorgeous results. Less sand, more hair. Let's see what it smells like. I usually love the scent of beach spray. Oh, it's a very fine mist. I would like this as a face mist. Don't spray your face. Oh, it's nice. Oh, wow, that is a lovely smell. I tell you what, I might put a little bit of this on the bottom just because then when you know you blow dry and it makes your hair smell like it, that's a nice scent. I like that a lot. Next out we have, I think they're scrunchies. That is what it looks like. I am definitely feeling like this is probably the one that belonged in add-ons. Oh, they're really pretty. This one especially. We have a black, which is just basic. They're kind of satiny. A purpley blue, but this one has a little bit of bow to it and it has little flowers on it. I like that a lot. All right, so we have scrunchies. Next, oh, Silo Pop Pods. Can always use earbuds around here. They're lavender. I am definitely feeling like this is the one that I purchased in add-ons now. High def sound, Goculo, that sounds like I nailed it. Earphones with built-in mic and carrying case. I mean, I am really happy to have these. I can always use another pair of earbuds around here. I don't have AirPods because I can't be trusted not to lose them. And last I have an Alice and Olivia, passport case. That is what that looks like. We'll set this aside. I don't need a passport case. I don't generally leave the country. I'm gonna go ahead and open this though so we can see what it looks like. Oh, it looks just like this. How cute is that? That's really super cute. This would be a great Christmas present if I could think who in my life might need a passport case. I have a niece that travels a lot, but she travels courtesy of the U.S. Navy, so she probably doesn't need a passport case. Oh, it feels really nice. I mean, it's a vegan leather. It's clearly a vegan leather, but it's just a little passport case. I mean, that's super cute. Yeah, I'm definitely going with this is the mystery bundle from the add-ons. And in this mystery bundle, I have the passport case. I I feel like I got just this mystery bundle this time. The Silo Pop earbuds, the cute little scrunchies, and the Foxy Bay Sea Salt texturizing spray. Okay, so those are my add-ons and my mystery bundle from winter 2021. Let me know what you chose. Have you gotten it? Do you love it? Where did I land with the mystery bundle? Did you get a better one? Let me know below. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here, and I'll see you again really soon. Have a great holiday season.